Coming from hustles and bustles of the day, and look at my view. My view is Mount Kenya. Look at it. Yeah. Preparing for supper now, and I've already peeled my potatoes. Here they are. I've soaked them in water. So, because I'm cooking matoke, I just want to go and buy matoke. I hope I'll get them because the near shop is not available. They are not available, but I hope the rest of the shop will get them. So, wacha tupike leo matoke bana. I've already peeled my potatoes. This is how they look. I've just put salt and water before I come back, before cooking them. Okay, I've already fried onions, tomatoes, capsicum. I've added now the potatoes and bananas. Now I'm adding water for them to cook for a while. I'm sorry I didn't update you. I got the bananas. Now I'm already cooking them. Corianders. I want to cut them and add them. Mimi ni ule mtu wa kuchagua mchele kabla nipike. So hapa nilikuwa nimenunua mchele, nilikuwa nachagua, natoa mawe. Yeah. So once it's ready now, I can be cooking anytime. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have this chapati. It's what I want to eat. I had packed it yesterday so that I can eat today. And it's so yum. I also have yogurt. This vanilla yogurt and some cookies. Some cookies too. Chapo is so yum. Shine. So I'm having this yogurt and some cookies, 2 cookies, a snack. You.
because Saturdays are for baking. And I've already mixed my batter. Now I want to put it in a oven. Don't forget, I'll put them in the oven to bake for 50 minutes. I want them to heat both top and bottom. I want to bake at 180 degrees. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna give it time for them to bake.
As they bake, the sun is out, so am I. So I'm here basking. And peace out. While I'm basking, I'm having these sugar canes because it's a sunny day and why not?
It's already. Look at them. Can't wait to cut them and see how they look inside. Right? I've wrapped them.